Aegers.
Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
What's up, dudes?
Hey guys, can we get some close quarters heroes and go top right through the stairs? Like Junkrat, Reaper, Doomfist. And like another tank, another healer would be good. I could play either. Or at least
That would be great.
At least maybe a Brig. Cool.
I must say you're looking quite well.
You Roadhog?
I can play whatever.
I was talking to Deepa. Deepa?
Attack commences in 30
Play Roadhog? Or Deepa? That works.
Okay, let's go
You
top
wanna
right.
go, you wanna go top right and just basically
Yeah.
defense matrix our way up the hallway?
Yeah, and then probably go down the stairs, backside of their point to go to point.
Okay. We're going way around, okay.
Probably. If we get a pick or two, then probably jump down and try to take it right away.
Sounds good, Minucci.
Use a shield. Okay, they're gonna let us do it, apparently.
So free.
It's fine. Let's drop stairs, drop down right here. Go around, follow right, follow right. Let's go high ground. Yeah, I don't know if that was the best charge, but I got excited. Thought I'd catch them off guard. 5 on 5. We traded tanks. Might be winnable, I'll play them. It's a 5 on 5. It's all about the outplay right now. Call targets to focus fire if you're in the front.
Zen low. Zen 50
Zen low.
low.
Our Zen's down. Their Mora is down. Our McCree's down. It's a 4 on 4. Should be even numbers.
Oh, they got a Widow apparently.
What is
Who the fuck? Yeah, she's just top right.
Let's get a tick.
Don't even peek her.
Let's get a tick. Focus Zarya. Zarya no personal. One tick. Let's get 2 ticks. Don't peek her. You got 2 ticks. Let's get it all. Oh, so close.
It's fucking.
Nice, we got it. Beautiful. They burned 3 ults. 2 ults.
Get the Rhine. Guys, there's a Rhine on point.
No, Ryan's free. I want to get the
Ryan's
rest of them.
dead.
ultimate destruction.
1,400, 1,000, 500.
What up, top right?
Shield low. Shield too low. Ryan's dying. They're giving us too much damage.
Get in there, dog.
We'll probably save it.
Dude, you gotta trans while you back it up.
I didn't have my charge when I got nano boosted. That was like 3 or 4 seconds till they got refreshed. We have our shatter.
Alright, let's combo. I'm gonna make him turn around.
I shattered everyone. I don't know if that was smart.
That was kind of a questionable
yeah,
call
that was
because I
a
can't hear that. You gotta call.
Yeah,
it.
no, that was a waste. I just kind of was trying to stop them from but it was a grab combo. It was a waste.
It's okay if you shatter the ball. That's great. Just help me because there's no.
Let's go around the right. We don't have
hear it.
We don't have shield break like they do. They're shredding our shield. We cannot approach them. Let's go around the right. Let's go around the right by the fat pack. Back up. Right side. I have Ryan in the front. We have a kill.
I got the Moira.
Can we? I think we should change off the McCree, dude. I don't even think we're gonna get a value out of the high noon. They're using the shield a lot, and they have nothing that flies.
I agree with them, but I don't agree with the reasoning. We don't need peel right now.
What do you guys
I'm
want?
running Tracer Genji. Run a
Junkrat
flanker.
or
Genji
Bastion?
Tracer. Genji Tracer flanker.
I'm not really good against you, but yeah, if I die right here, then I'll fall.
They're just shredding the shield every time.
They have no
They're
shield.
very destroyed.
Sorry, it's dead.
Our barrier's destroyed. Break their barrier again, we can shatter. Break their shield, we can shatter.
Not worth it. We got both their healers. We want to fight. The Widow's still top, but that's it.
Hanzo's behind.
Heals on Ryan.
Hanzo flank.
Heals on Ryan. Where's the heal?
No healers.
Dead. The heals are dead. Well, you should call out that you need healing before you're 5 HP.
Do you have a mic?
Literally called it out like right when you were 5.
Yeah, you need to kind of get a mic for this game.
Regroup on Ryan. Regroup on Ryan. Fall back. Let's go around. Let's go around the left. Let's go around the left. Go hot. Go high. We have 4 ults. We should be able to take it this next push. Go around. Drop down on him. Follow Ryan. Follow Ryan. I'm gonna drop down on him. Drop in on him. Yeah, trans again.
Hanzo's dead, they don't have a combo.
Alright, I'm sending moral support into the point. Never mind, I think we want to fight.
They're just outplaying us in most of these team fights. It is what it is. I don't know if it's the DPS or what, but more damage is coming our way than we're outputting as a whole.
They're out positioning us. It's kind of Blizzard World, unfortunately, as well. It's inherent to the map. It's hard to position his offense in this map. Alright, I think we'll do a good job on defense.
Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
Yeah, I agree with that, Deepa. Like, we shouldn't have McCree at all. There's no mobility, no self-heal, shitty ultimate.
I don't agree with the McCree on attack.
And everything here is super spread out. Like, even though he got that little
What a diva.
buff, you might as well be playing like a Widow or like a Soldier or something with a better kit or better overall damage.
Well, there's a difference. There's types of damage. There's peel DPS and flank DPS, shield break DPS, that kind of thing. And shield break kind of falls under like a more general category. Peel DPS mainly, McCree, Soldier can do it. Basically the people that turn around and keep your healers alive, right?
Pill, he's
Normally
stupid.
don't-
He's stupid for the pill category because the flashbang is easy to miss
No,
and has a
it's-
long cooldown. And as soon as he
McCree
doesn't
is
get
the
it,
peel category.
no, it's just stupid. It's just stupid to say he's in that though. I mean, like he barely works for it when everybody can
He's
juke
not a
him out
flanker.
like crazy. He's just not that good of a
If
hero
people
overall.
can juke you out using flashbang, you suck with flashbang and you just switch up McCree.
He does it. It just doesn't have that much of a range, dude. And most people have like a tracer. He has blinks for
That's the
days.
point.
Like
That's the point. You plug and play against a tracer and you counter flankers as McCree. That's your job. You're a
it's
peel DPS.
one flashbang, like, and it's a
Yeah,
short range.
that's all you
dude.
need.
She has
That's all you
like
need.
3
Just
blinks.
Don't suck with McCree.
Nah,
all you
man.
need. It's more than you need.
I got the top 500 FFA with McCree. Like, I know how to play him. Like, he's not that good of a hero.
FFA is way different than competitive.
I'm just saying, I know how to play him. He's not that good of a hero. Break this shield, break this shield, break this shield. Break this shield, don't let him walk out. They're going the other way. We have a kill. Other side. Ryan, other side. We have 2 kills. Break the shield, break the shield, break the shield. Go down the top side. Okay, good stop. I'm going top side for the Widow as Orisa. Okay, let's reset. Reset that same spot.
Yeah, Widow.
Break the shield, break the shield. 5 on 5, break the shield, break the shield. Break the shield, don't let him approach.
No heals there.
Dude, can you please get off the McCree after you burn the high noon? It's not working.
Bro, you're kidding, right? I sat that entire round with 100 fucking health. Spamming X. There we go.
Bro, dude,
First guy's just gonna rank like gas man. I'm not flaming. I'm defending myself against this guy who thinks that a creep pick is bad. No, it's fine. More on top. Oh, you're gonna hook that.
I still have a job to do.
We have 1 kill. Follow Orisa. Break the shield, break the shield, break the shield, break the shield. Kills on Orisa.
Alright, brother, sneak top.
Gonna drop a supercharger next shield. Gonna drop a supercharger. Break the shield, break the shield, break the shield, break the shield, break the shield. Save ult, save ult, save ult. Save ult. Good wipe. All we needed was 1. Good job, guys. We can win the rest of this here. We have ults in the pocket. We should have ult advantage.
All you gotta do is not suck at McCree. Counters Widow, easy clap.
Let's push up a little bit.
also helps to have a Discord on her.
No, that was BM as fuck, but I did double headshot her.
Break the shield, break the shield. We gotta win the shield fight, guys. Break the shield. Very destroyed. Good job. They're looking for a grab. They're looking for a grab. Save ult, save ult, save ult. Okay. Used everything. Well, we stopped them for the most part. Okay, good. It's gonna be like 4 or 5 more waves if they go organized. Gotta be a little bit less aggressive for the positioning. Break their shield. Okay, focus on breaking their shield. There's an Orisa. Break the shield. Got one. Two kills. Genji focus, Genji focus. Genji then Widow. Widow top, uncontested, Widow top. Throw a Discord on Widow, please.
She's literally just killing me now. I'm gonna have a grenade.
Good job. 2 more waves. They're scattered. They're staggered. Use the Orisa shield. They're gonna have a shatter. How are they approaching? Are they coming top? They're coming. Break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield. Big kill, break shield. 2 kills, 2 kills. We can push a little bit. Be smart, be smart. 3 kills. Focus Ryan down. Good pull, very good pull. Sorry.
Widow's on top. Widow's on top of the turret. Oh, yeah, there you go.
1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Thanks for changing to Genji.
60 seconds.
They got like 1 good push left. We have 2 ults in the pocket. They may have. They're gonna have probably Earth Shatter, probably Transcendence, probably Coalescence, probably grab. Break shield, break shield. They're coming out. Break shield, break shield, break shield. Good trends, winnable fight, very winnable. Focus Ryan if boss, focus Ryan, focus Ryan, focus Ryan. Aris is down. We have Dragon Strike, we have Nano Boost. Nano Boost probably on the Hanzo. It's winnable, focus fire, call targets if you're there, I'm not in the front. Use the Risa shield to pause.
What I'm trying to fight. I'm on it. 1 HP, what I want.
Diva. Supercharger next shield. I'm doing supercharger next shield. Break shield. It's winnable. We have supercharger. Moira. Lucio. Baby Diva. Good job, guys. Oh man. So the comms, I thought that was gonna be a loss. The McCree was garbage hero. Like, glad we could just argue and not raise our voices and be too emotional about it too much. Just disagree and then whatever, stop talking about it. Like, I really had to bite my tongue a lot on that one. Just suck it up, be mature, play the tank. Even though it's not fun and I don't think we're gonna win as handily or easily, and it's like it's gonna be as much of more of a struggle to win if I'm tank or healer or anything besides DPS or Bastion. Just gotta suck it up. I just gotta suck it up. I gotta, be mature. I gotta like be the bigger man, walk the higher road, and just accept. They don't want to change. They're gonna play DPS. If we can at least get a 2-2-2 and I can run tank, preferably, I can at least lead this thing. Yeah. Anyway, let me look at my win rates with tanks this season. 53, 59, 35, damn, abysmal. Let me turn that around. But yeah, that's that. 1.26, season 11, August 5th, 2018, Sunday, Love Vegas, in transmission.